Nutrition intervention is the single biggest thing that we can do to actually have an impact on the health of our population.
Heart disease, cancer, diabetes, all these different types of chronic disease are also going up.
We decided to create this product because it's really the top thing our trainers are asking for.
Nutrition affects everything we do, how we move, how we feel, and if your nutrition is not dialed in, it'll get in the way of seeing the fitness results that you want.
Over 20 years of experience in the fitness industry. I have a master's in exercise science.
Undergraduate degree in food and nutrition, and I have a master's degree in exercise science.
I really have quite a wide background both in academic education and in practical applied experience.
I have a specialty in behavior change. I'm also a certified sports nutritionist. I'm really passionate about getting the right information out there.
I went out into the field, talked to personal trainers to really find out what they wanted from a product.
I've worked with some of the brightest minds in both nutrition and in behavior change.
How do we bridge that gap between knowledge and application?
Now we're starting to see the fitness professional at the forefront of healthcare.
All of us can become much better nutrition and fitness coaches.